Hi, my name's Ronnie Martin. I started here at Holloway May 31st, 2022, and I'm the parts receiver and coordinator for the main fab shop. I just receive all the parts and log them on the bill of materials. What brought me into this industry was having a friend that had his dad worked at a company, and I knew it was good pay and also good benefits. I just latched on to an opportunity to get in this industry. What brought me to Holloway was my son works here. He's 32 and he's got two beautiful daughters, my two granddaughters. And I got his daughter that's 28, and she has a daughter, which is my beautiful little granddaughter. And then my grandson Carter that works here at Holloway as well, his wife, and they have a baby that's a year and a half, a baby boy. It's been real special to have grandkids, be a grandparent, and watching them grow up. Well, I kind of grew up with a talent, an art talent. Actually building tanks, grinding, welding is really an art, Most people can be trained to do it, but almost anybody could really learn if they really try hard and put their best foot forward. When I started in the industry, I was just a helper pushing a broom and showed the initiative, and they liked what they saw. They saw that I had the initiative to work hard, and welded for quite a while, and a job to have. And then from there, I went to being an expediter in the warehouse, doing parts, shipping the vessels. So got to see a lot of facets of this industry, and it's just been interesting from the start. I like to see the new guys start here in this industry. They'll start out pushing a broom mostly because what the company's looking for is somebody who has initiative, somebody who's a hard worker, somebody that puts forth their best effort. And there'll be times I'll stop these guys, on the floor and compliment them and let them know that they're doing a really good job and they're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. It takes time to get into grinding or welding or whatever a company chooses to have them do as a trade. But by just starting out pushing that broom really shows a good effort. I enjoy coming to work every day and seeing my son. What an opportunity to be able to work with your son here at Holloway. There are several father and sons, and I've worked at 3 other companies besides Holloway, and I would say by far this is the greatest company that I've worked for.